if you could earn money online without spending a single dollar, just by answering questions like, what's your favorite snack? Or which phone do you use? Sounds too easy to be true, right? That's exactly what I thought when I first heard about Surveoo, a website that promises to pay you for taking free surveys from the comfort of your home. To try Surveoo, you can use my link below. It is an affiliate link, which means that I get a small commission every time you use it, without any extra cost to you. This is so I can keep posting tutorial and reviews for my beloved viewers for free. Let's dive into the video. Surveoo is an international survey platform that collaborates with various companies and research institutions. These entities require feedback from common people like you and me. Therefore, they request Surveoo to gain responses. You register, respond to surveys based on your opinions, and in return, Surveoo offers you a share of what they make. The process sounds straightforward in theory. And trust me, it's actually completely free to sign up. There are no registration fees, and you aren't required to submit any credit card information. I myself didn't have to pay a single penny to join. All I needed to do was complete a quick form with my name, age, country, and hobbies. How are the surveys themselves? Honestly, they're not hard. Most of them are multiple choice or rating questions, such as, how much do you use your smartphone? Or, what brands of snacks did you buy in the last month? Some surveys are brief and only take 2 minutes, whereas others continue for 15 to 20 minutes. The best part is that before even beginning a survey, Surveoo displays an approximate time it will take and how much you will be rewarded for doing it. This is beneficial, as you can choose what's worth your time. From my experience, these smaller surveys offered 0.23 to 0.93s, while longer surveys offered $2 or even $4. During my first day, I did around 4 surveys that took 20 minutes and earned a total of $4, which was a good amount to begin with. Nonetheless, one has to temper expectations. Surveoo is not a get-rich-quick site. You won't earn thousands within a week. The earnings are minimal but constant if you visit regularly and answer surveys on a daily basis. Some days, I had 1 or 2 surveys. Other days, 5 or more. It varies with your location and profile. Secondly, not all surveys will be suitable for you. Sometimes, you will begin a survey and find yourself screened out after a few questions. This is annoying though if you've spent a few minutes already filling it out, but this is true for nearly every survey website, and Surveoo isn't anything else. Most people also worry that sites like this aren't safe. I didn't personally have any issues. I didn't get spam emails or weird messages after joining. I also reviewed their privacy policy, which indicates they don't sell your personal information to third parties. Your data is utilized solely for research purposes, and you can easily delete your account at any time. That put me somewhat at ease. It's always a good idea to have a special email dedicated to survey sites, just so you're organized and not clogging up your main inbox. Now let's discuss the best part, earning money. Surveoo provides you with a virtual wallet within your dashboard where you can get your money added. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you are free to cash out. The payout methods differ based on what country you are in, but the prominent ones are PayPal, bank transfer, and gift cards, such as Amazon or Google Play. Just keep in mind, the minimum payout is around $15, so it may take a few days of survey work to reach that amount. For me, it took about 5 to 6 days of casual use. There are both pros and cons to using Surveoo. On the plus side, it's totally free, simple to use, and in lots of different languages. It's also fine on mobile, so you can do the surveys during your commute or when lounging around at home. The surveys themselves are normally simple, and it's a bonus that they display the reward for you. Surveoo also allows you to select what type of surveys you'd like, so you're more likely to receive subjects you like. And yes, they really do pay. That's a huge bonus. But it's not all good. There are a couple of negatives worth noting. First, not every survey is open to everyone all the time. Sometimes you'll log on and there won't be any surveys at all. Other times you'll get a few, but get disqualified halfway through. Also, while the payouts are fair for the time involved, the earnings are still small. If you're looking for quick or high income, Surveoo isn't going to cut it. Another minor downside is that reaching the minimum payout can take a few days, unless you're super active or lucky with high-paying surveys. If you are going to use Surveoo, the following are some easy tips to get the most out of it. To begin, visit the site early in the day. Surveys tend to post in the morning and vanish as fast. Next, complete your profile accurately. This allows Surveoo to send you more suitable surveys. Lastly, don't hurry through surveys. If the system believes that you're answering too fast, it will disqualify you or lower your opportunities for future surveys. Also, use their referral program. If you get friends to join the site, you can earn extra money when they begin taking surveys as well. Surveoo can be applied to small objectives, such as paying for a subscription, purchasing a meal, or pampering yourself or someone else. So, is it worth using Surveoo in 2025? If you're a person with some spare time and you like to give your opinions, it's worth considering. It's particularly good for students, stay at home moms, or anyone who wants to earn a little regular money online without requiring special skills. The work is easy, and although it's not thrilling, it's something you can do from your phone with no pressure. On the other hand, if you want quick or large money, you'll be frustrated. Surveoo is rather to be viewed as a small side activity and not a source of a full-time income. Me myself has used Surveoo to generate extra 50 USD per month. It's not a lot, but it pays for some fun activities with the kids. The way I use it is mainly when getting on and off work or other situations when I don't have any better things to do. To get the best results, I recommend you to have patience since it can take a couple of days to get your first survey. But just like anything else, slow and steady always wins the race, so please be patient. So that's a wrap, guys. Comment down below if you would use this site, and also subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about making money online.